Hello friends, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this video we are going to talk about the best books available in the market for any PhD entrance examination. You heard it right, any PhD entrance examination, be it CSIR NET, it's GATE, it's ICMR JRF, it's the BET examination for biotechnology students, or it can be any entrance examination, any PhD entrance examination in India, in outside India. These books are the books to go with for your preparation. These books not only will enhance your knowledge but also help you to build a strong foundation with which you can continue and can score well in your PhD entrance examination, be it any kind of PhD entrance examination. So let's start talking about the list of the books, and I'll also give you the link of these books in the description so that you can check them out from online stores to buy them, or you can borrow them, or you can start reading from the soft copy or ebooks of these materials. So stay tuned and watch the video.
Alright, so what are the best books for PhD entrance examinations in India? There are different types of PhD entrance examination conducted by different institutes in India. So there is no single exam that we are talking about. It can be CSIR NET, it can be GATE, it can be JGE Wills, it can be AIMS PhD entrance, it can be BITSPIL, and it can be any kind of PhD entrance examination. If you follow this book list that I'm going to share right now with you, then you will get the best knowledge that you can acquire from these books ever. Okay, so continue. Let's begin to understand the best book for preparation of PhD entrance examinations in India. And the very first subject is biochemistry. And in biochemistry, there are two books that we always talk about. One is the Principle of Biochemistry by Nelson and Cox, which is known as Lehninger Principles of Biochemistry, this particular book. And the second one is the Voet and Pratt, this particular book. The first book is kind of all-in-one. So Lehninger alone will do the job, but if you want to read more and detail about the protein biochemistry and structural biochemistry, then Voet and Pratt is another good book. Let's move to the second topic, that is microbiology. The best microbiology book here will be the Microbiology by Prescott for detailed understanding of the subject, and Microbiology by Pelczar for brushing up the topic before examination. The best immunology book is Immunology by Kuby. This is the book to go. Apart from that, Genway's Immunology is also good, but Kuby is the best. Best cell biology books, Molecular Biology of the Cell by Bruce Alberts, my all-time favorite book because of the greatest illustrations ever. And Molecular Cell Biology by Harvey Lodish. This is another very good, well illustrated, well written book. Many students believe this book written in an easier language compared to the Bruce Alberts. So if you think of that, you can go with the Harvey Lodish too. Apart from that, another book is there, that is Cooper's book of molecular approach, The Cell, a Molecular Approach by Cooper. This is another very well written book, but for my opinion, the first two are the best. The best molecular biology book, Molecular Biology of the Gene by James T. Watson. This is the book to go. You can go with the hardcover version, two books together for 9,000, or international edition, that is 4,000 paperback. Molecular Biology by Weaver is another book that you can go with. Okay, Molecular Biology by Weaver. This is another very good book and well written book. For genetics, always go with for molecular genetics, Gene 9 by Benjamin Levin. What a book this is. Actually, even if you see the images and read the figure legend, it will prepare your subject well. Principles of Genetics by Snustad. This is another very good and well written book. You can go with the paperback version of 780 rupees, which is Indian edition, student edition of low price edition. The hardcover version is kind of 6,000 rupees, which is bigger. Concepts and Genetics by Klug and Cummings. This is another very well written book, and particularly to understand the problem solving approach to understand genetics, this is the book to go. Hardcover is 8,400, paperback is 475 rupees. So now it's your call which one you want to choose. Okay, and one more thing that they have here particularly is that the book comes with a CD plus so CD also comes with the book, which will help you to guide about some concepts of this chapter. Best plant biology books, Plant Physiology by Eduardo Ziger and Lincoln Thias. So TNZ, we call it TNZ's book for plant physiology, the greatest book ever written about the plant physiology in the market. So go with this book without any doubt. But if you want something else, one more reference, then the Introductory Plant Biology by Stern. Okay, this is another good book. Now you can go with the developmental biology. There's only one book, that is the Scott F. Gilbert. Okay, go with that. For best ecology and environmental biology, there is only one greatest book of ecology. There are two books I'll tell you. One is the Eugene Odum's book of ecology, Fundamentals of Ecology. It's costly, but it's a very well written book. And you can also go with the Theories and Applications of Ecology by Peter Stilling. The book price for Peter Stilling is less. Paperback version will be available for 1500 rupees only, which is a used one. A new one you'll always go with 9000 rupees. But Odum's book is better, of course, but costly. We can go with the Peter Stilling's books as well for applications of ecology. And if you want to know about the elements of ecology, there is another book, Smith and Smith, Elements of Ecology. This is another very, very well written, very good book with very low price. So always for students, I want to give you the book which are of less price. So this is of less price, only 919 rupees. You can go with this book, Smith and Smith, for 919 rupees for the preparation of environmental biology and ecology. Okay, now if it's evolutionary biology that you're looking for, there's only one greatest book, and that is Evolution by Strickberger. This book is the book of evolution. Okay, and one more book that I love is The Theory of Evolution by Dawkins and Maynard. The reason behind it is that I actually admire Richard Dawkins, because I understood the evolution, I understood how it works from Richard Dawkins, from his documentaries and all. So I love this book because the preface is written by Richard Dawkins, the foreword is written by Richard Dawkins, and he cannot do anything wrong. He is kind of the person who knows kind of the best about the evolution that is available right now. So this is the book. This is kind of a souvenir for me. But for theory perspective, Evolution by Strickberger is a good one, and Organic Evolution by Veerbala Rastogi is another good one that you can always go with. It's a very well written Indian author book and of a very less price as well. Okay. What about the human physiology books? Okay, Human Physiology, Guinon's Review of Medical Physiology, this book. But I'll only recommend this book if you are from human physiology background, or Guyton and Hall's book of medical physiology. These are all medical physiology and particularly suitable for MBBS students, not for general life science category students. You'll find it really complicated and much more details. So you can go with this one, Human Physiology Instant Notes, which will be less time consuming and faster to read. Or you can go with Essential of Animal Physiology. This is regarding animal physiology. If you want to prepare for animal physiology, which is different from medical or human physiology, this is S.C. Rastogi's book of animal physiology. You can also go with that. Now what about the last one? Here's the Best Biological Techniques book. And I told you earlier that biological techniques is something that you cannot prepare for one single book. There are multiple books needed for multiple techniques. There are single books for a single technique. Like for dairy technology, there is a single book. Okay, there is a post-harvesting technology, there is a single book. Plant breeding, there is a single book. Okay, so it's very difficult to give you a single book, name of a book. So I'll give you a list of different books. Genome 3 by T.A. Brown, to understand all the genome editing and molecular modifications and regarding the cloning and all. Industrial Microbiology by Casida. This is a very good book of industrial microbiology and fermentation technology. Plant breeding, Principles and Methods by B.D. Singh, another very, very good and well written book in this topic. Molecular Cloning, a Laboratory Manual by Joseph. So this is not that much of importance. You can escape that. Gene Cloning and DNA Analysis by T.A. Brown. This is another very, 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 very good book, very well written book. You can always go for that. Principles of Gene Manipulation and Genomics by Primrose and Twyman. This is another very well written book, and kind of, you can get the paperback for 1600 rupees. This is a kind of a deal, like a great deal. So you can go with the 1600 version of this book. Discovering Genomics, Proteomics and Bioinformatics by Campbell. This particular book you can also appear in, but again, this is a costly book. But if you want me to jot down one, like 2 or 3 books, I can tell you Genome 3 by T.A. Brown, Industrial Microbiology by Casida, Plant Breeding, obviously by B.D. Singh, and this Primrose book, this 4 book, and the T.A. Brown Genome Cloning, this 5 book. This 4 and 5 book of different topics and chapters will be enough for the preparation for CSI NET, GATE Biotechnology, GATE Life Sciences, and any other type of PhD entrance examinations in India. So these are the list of best biology books, best book in biochemistry, best biochemistry book, best molecular biology book, best cell biology book for the PhD entrance examination in India. If you like this video, if this video helps you, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that, and you'll find all the list of this book's name and their buying links in the description of the video in my channel right now. You can click that link, it'll be redirected to Amazon. You can buy these books from that site. Okay, so that's all about it. So please subscribe and also share your thought regarding this series of videos. Thank you. Bye.